Replacement doors, Pasadena, Texas, are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. Whether you're considering entry doors, patio doors, or sliding doors, finding the right door specialists in Pasadena TX is crucial for a successful door replacement project. Door contractors in Pasadena, Texas offer a wide range of options, including custom doors and energy-efficient doors, to meet your specific needs. Door installation in Pasadena TX is a service that requires precision and expertise. Professional door contractors in Pasadena, Texas, ensure that your new doors are installed correctly, providing security and aesthetic appeal. From wooden doors to steel doors and fiberglass doors, the variety of materials available allows homeowners to choose the perfect fit for their home. Door repair in Pasadena, Texas is a vital service for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your doors. Whether it's fixing door hinges, door locks, or door frames, experienced door specialists in Pasadena TX can handle all types of repairs. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can prevent more significant issues down the line. Entry doors in Pasadena TX are the first impression of your home. Choosing the right entry doors can enhance your home's security and style. Door contractors in Pasadena, Texas offer a variety of options, including steel doors and fiberglass doors, to ensure your entry doors are both durable and attractive. Replacement doors, Pasadena, Texas, are a popular choice for homeowners looking to blend indoor and outdoor living spaces. Sliding doors and French doors are excellent options for patio doors, providing easy access and a stylish look. Door installation, Pasadena TX Services can help you select and install the perfect patio doors for your home. Sliding doors in Pasadena TX offer a sleek and modern look for any home. These doors are ideal for saving space and providing easy access to outdoor areas. Door specialists in Pasadena, Texas, can help you choose the best sliding doors for your needs and ensure proper installation. French doors in Pasadena, Texas, add elegance and charm to any home. These doors are perfect for creating a sophisticated entryway or connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Door contractors in Pasadena TX offer a range of French doors to suit your style and budget. Custom doors in Pasadena, Texas, allow homeowners to express their unique style and preferences. Whether you need a specific size, design, or material, door specialists in Pasadena TX can create custom doors that meet your exact specifications. Custom doors are an excellent way to add a personal touch to your home. Energy-efficient doors in Pasadena TX are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Door contractors in Pasadena, Texas, can help you select the best energy-efficient doors for your home. Wooden doors in Pasadena, Texas, offer a classic and timeless look. These doors are known for their natural beauty and durability. Door installation. Pasadena TX Services can help you choose the right wooden doors for your home and ensure they are installed correctly. Steel doors in Pasadena TX provide superior security and durability. These doors are an excellent choice for entry doors, offering protection against intruders and harsh weather conditions. Door specialists in Pasadena, Texas can help you select and install the best steel doors for your home. Fiberglass doors in Pasadena, Texas are a versatile and low-maintenance option for homeowners. These doors are resistant to dents, scratches, and weather damage, making them an ideal choice for exterior doors. Door contractors in Pasadena TX can assist you in choosing the right fiberglass doors for your home. Replacement doors. Pasadena TX is an essential component of any door installation or repair project. From door locks to door hinges, the right hardware ensures your doors function smoothly and securely. Door specialists in Pasadena, Texas can help you select the best door hardware for your needs. Door frames in Pasadena, Texas are crucial for the stability and security of your doors. Properly installed door frames ensure that your doors open and close smoothly and provide adequate support. Door contractors in Pasadena TX can install and repair door frames to keep your doors in top condition. Door hinges in Pasadena TX are a small but vital part of any door system. High-quality door hinges ensure that your doors operate smoothly and quietly. Door specialists in Pasadena, Texas can help you choose the best door hinges for your home and install them correctly. Door locks in Pasadena, Texas are essential for the security of your home. Whether you need a simple lock replacement or a more advanced security system, door contractors in Pasadena TX can provide the right solutions for your needs. Ensuring your door locks are in good condition is crucial for your peace of mind. Storm doors in Pasadena TX offer an additional layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. These doors are designed to withstand strong winds and heavy rain, keeping your home safe and dry. Door installation. Pasadena, Texas services can help you choose and install the best storm doors for your home.